Welcome to Home System Test 3, and today we've got a bit to test. We've obviously got the residential smoke detectors that are responsible for protecting the home. We've also got this emergency light to test. Alright, so let me get my hearing protection on, and then we will test these, then we'll test the emergency light, and then we'll go over anything else that might need to be tested or dealt with. Alright, let's give our first one a test. I actually think I have the tie-in sensor disabled. Okay, I've just unmuted that sensor, so the next device we set off, it will hopefully trip. Oh, and yes, guys, I do still plan to replace these detectors. Don't worry. I do. I don't know when it'll happen. I said room system test 3, room system test 4, or sorry, home system test 3 or home system test 4. I'm actually not sure when they'll be replaced. I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible, but I just really don't know. We'll just really have to see. I'm gonna try and use this broom here just to test it, but I don't know how well this will work. Actually, I can reach it.
Attention needed.
There we go. There's our tie-in. Okay, so now we can go ahead and test our emergency light here. There it is. I will at some point have to do a functional test with our emergency lights, like cutting off the power, and seeing how long they go. But here's what it looks like. It's not nighttime, so you can't fully tell, but I mean, it gives some good light. When it's nighttime and there's not light coming through that door, obviously light coming through the door is best case scenario, because you can see everything over here, and like, man, that generator is going to be hard to get to. But at night you can still kind of see over here and stuff. Alright, so that has all of the smoke detectors tested. Alright, so we can now mark off for the month of June. We have all the emergency lights tested and the smoke detectors tested. So for June, we can go ahead and go check and check on that, because those things have been tested. The mid-year checks, battery replacement on 9-volt detectors, that's been done for my room. The house, that has not been done, but unfortunately I don't have any more 9-volt batteries, so I won't be able to do that until I purchase those. And reflection on evacuation plan. I am trying to find the perfect time to do that when my dad is here, because he was busy all last week. I was too, but we're just all busy all last week. This week we're not nearly as busy, so it'll probably happen this week. But yeah, so that's when we can do the drill time and the drill, and then everything will be good to go for June. So yeah. I also purchased a ceiling fan rated electrical box to go where this the fan that was in my room was, when I replaced it, swapped it with this chandelier. Go check out that video if you haven't already seen it. I'll try and put a card right up there, but if you don't see one, just check the description. But yeah, so I'm going to be putting this fan, this light is here. I'm going to be swapping it with this light for a fan. But obviously this isn't a ceiling fan rated electrical box. So yeah, I was going to do it today. Probably happen tomorrow. But yeah, so anyways, but thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, check out more videos, and have a nice day. Farewell.